I had lots of waste cardboard in my home and I wanted to create something beautiful out of it. So here's what I did. I cut 10 squares from this cardboard, each of size 8 into 8 inches, and on each of this cardboard I painted a beautiful and different art form. In this YouTube video, I'm going to be sharing with you these 10 different style of paintings, both modern art and folk art, so that you can do it yourself. So let's get started. The first one is a folk art from Maharashtra known as Warli Art.
The background is in shade of earth colors. I'm drawing 4 concentric circles along with marking at 20 degrees for human figures. This art form only uses 3 basic shapes: circle, triangle and square. As I start painting my figures, the painting starts to come alive and it is looking beautiful. The concept is simple, showing everyday human lives celebrating and enjoying.
If you want to learn Warli art, there's a detailed video on my channel. Click on the link above. And here's the final output. Tell me in comments if you like it. My next painting is a bohemian style of art which comes from Paris.
It's a minimalistic art which uses neutral color palette and elements of the earth. For this painting, I am only using burnt sienna and yellow ochre, mixing it with white and black to create different shades. It has a simple design and calm vibrations.
The detailed video of Boho Art is on my channel and I have given a link. Hope you like this one. My next painting is a beautiful folk art from Telangana.
This art form is called as Kalamkari Art. Kalamkari means Kalam ki karigari, and that is why this art form uses a unique pen made out of bamboo to create intricate patterns with black ink. This is a folk art which originated in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana region. The actual process is very lengthy and involves 23 steps. That's why it's unique and beautiful.
Link to the detailed video is in description. My next painting is a beautiful art form called gold leaf art. For this, I have taken my cardboard and covered it in black background and then taken a pearl gold acrylic paint to create a simple leaf shape. Now on top of this, I will stick a gold leaf. This needs a special glue which I've ordered from Amazon. Wait 20 minutes for it to dry and then take a dry brush to scrape out the extras. Now we will create veins of this leaf using a black paint or a marker pen. Look how beautiful this painting has turned out to be. Do tell me in comments if you like it. The link to the detailed video is in description. My next painting is a super cool blue pottery art which comes from Rajasthan.
I've taken a square cardboard and sealing its edges with clay. Traced out a simple design because I don't like complication. I color the first layer entirely with blue and then start making motifs with white color. Don't worry about perfection because nothing is perfect in life. It's almost done. Tell me in comments if you liked it.
Click the link for detailed video. My next painting is a folk art from the state of Madhya Pradesh called Gond Art.
I start by painting my background in white and then create a simple design with 3 fishes sitting on a grass. This art form is known for its vibrant colors and motifs which are inspired by nature. It is also known as the art of dots and dashes because artists use curved lines, straight lines, dots to show vitality and movement in the form.
Click on the link for detailed video. My next painting is another beautiful folk art which is symbolic of mirrors. This is called Lippan Art. Originating from the Rabari ethnic group in the Kutch region, it has now spread across Rajasthan and many other areas. Mirrors play an important role in this art and are meant to invite light into the home and to shun away the negative energies. And just like that, this useless cardboard has become a beautiful art. Hope you like it. The detailed video is on my channel. My next painting is another beautiful art which comes from Rajasthan called Pichwai Art. Pitch means back and Vais means art. These paintings were traditionally used to adorn the walls behind Lord Krishna in temples. That is why these paintings always have a theme of cow, lotus, and dedicated to the lives of Lord Krishna. I have chosen a very simple pattern for this painting. Look how beautiful it turned out to be. Click on the link for detailed video. My next painting is a beautiful 3D art called Clay Mural Art. For this, I've taken a cardboard and I'm going to create a 3D structure of a tree using Fevicryl clay. You can see I'm cutting out the leaves using a cutter and then sticking them on the cardboard to give a 3D nice effect. Then comes the coloring part, which I will use acrylic paints to do once all my leaves are set and dry. And here's the final output. I hope you guys like it. Link to the detailed video is in description. Last but definitely not the least,
I'm going to be painting a 7,000-year-old art form. It's a folk art from Bihar known as Madhubani Art. I've chosen a simple design with parrots which symbolize love and spirituality. The beauty of this art is in its simple design and colorful motifs. Notice the geometric patterns that I draw with my black marker. Border design is equally important.
and it's ready. Tell me in comments if you like it. Now let's put all the paintings together. Boho Art, Warli Art, Pichwai painting, Lippan Art, Kalamkari Art, 3D Clay Mural Art, Gond Art, Gold Leaf Painting, Blue Pottery Art, and Madhubani. I've tried to add all of them in my wall, and this is looking superb. I just love it. Thank you for watching. We will meet again next week.